Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the ocean to explore 5 of the most bizarre and unusual creatures you never knew existed. From the depths of the ocean, these creatures have adapted to survive in some of the harshest and most extreme conditions on Earth. So, let's get started. Goblin Shark. Our first bizarre creature is the Goblin Shark. This deep-sea dweller is one of the rarest and most unusual sharks in the world. The Goblin Shark's long protruding snout is filled with needle-like teeth that can extend up to 3 inches in length. This adaptation is used to capture prey in the deep, dark waters where it lives. The Goblin Shark's pinkish coloration is also a unique adaptation, helping it to blend in with its surroundings and remain hidden from predators. Despite its fearsome appearance, the Goblin Shark is not considered a threat to humans. Dumbo Octopus. Next up is the Dumbo Octopus, a cute and unusual creature named after the Disney character Dumbo. This octopus is known for its ear-like fins that resemble the ears of the famous cartoon elephant. It can be found in the deep sea, where it uses its fins to move around and navigate. The Dumbo Octopus is also known for its unique feeding habits, using a mucus web to capture small particles of food from the water. It's also one of the deepest living octopuses, found as far down as 13,100 feet. Blobfish. Our third bizarre creature is the blobfish, which has become somewhat of an internet sensation in recent years. This fish has a gelatinous body and is often described as one of the ugliest creatures in the world. The blobfish lives in the deep waters off the coast of Australia, where it uses its gelatinous body to float above the seabed, waiting for prey to come along. Despite its strange appearance, the blobfish is not dangerous to humans. Vampire squid. The vampire squid is another strange and unusual deep-sea creature. It has large, bright red eyes and a cloak-like web that it uses to move through the water. The vampire squid gets its name from its dark coloration and the webbing on its arms that resemble a cape. It's also known for its unique adaptation of bioluminescence, where it can emit a blue light to confuse predators. Deep-sea dragonfish. Our final bizarre creature is the deep-sea dragonfish, a fierce-looking predator that lives in the dark depths of the ocean. It has large, sharp teeth and a long, slender body that allows it to move through the water with ease. The dragonfish is also bioluminescent, using light to attract prey and communicate with others of its kind. It's one of the few creatures that can survive in the extreme pressure and temperature conditions of the deep ocean. Well, that concludes our exploration of 5 of the most bizarre and unusual creatures that call the ocean home. It's amazing to think about the incredible adaptations these creatures have developed to survive in such a harsh and extreme environment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching.